mass no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with about I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. You see me? Yeah, man. And if I your first time over here, so please subscribe. But anyways, we are gonna talk about what the description of the video says. So tune in, so don't miss out, cause the video gonna be lit. You see me? Okay, guys. So have you ever seen inside of jail, Jamaica jail right now? Life in jail. Me I go show you. You see me? Cause a video circulate this, is me I make you see what go on. And if you look, Jesus Christ, I be a Clark's Air Force, new pants full white. Look how the man them I live, my friend. Me I share a video with you and make you see. Leave a comment.
Main team. Right, rough out, man. How are you? I know a thing about that. Don't say I'm grinding and rough. You are right now.
Yeah, people, normally them say prison and a bed of rose, etc. stuff like that. But in other case, yeah, prison look 10 times better. But I gotta tell you no lie. On my son, guys, alright, prison is something for people who want to go, but Jesus, them brother, they make it look nice. But anyways, stay out of trouble, guys. Okay, guys, so up next, we are going to talk about Buju Banton repping for Jamaican people. You see me? So, I could play blind, I have to share this. And I need everybody to take precautions. Start use them brain. You see me? Start think. You see me? In a sense, the man love the culture, and if you got this somewhere, you have to fight for it, cause it's like, if them do one person, something you do all. So he want the people them for understand this, and I'm going to share the message.
Well, someone side I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright, and everything can't alright. Who want done this mass wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead, I go dead, and who not go dead, just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our lives. You are so smart, we haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with about I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.
Yeah, guys, and if you find where him say interested, I mean, you need to listen to this next clip.
My love for you supersede all that this world has to offer. I will not join the other entertainers and trick you. I will not lead you down a path of destruction. I've always been sincere and true to you, my people. A lot of people are benefiting by touting and pushing my people down to a path that is totally destructive. Here in Jamaica, here in America, I don't care. My life is not mine. It has never been. So hear me, my people. While I'm here with you, stand up, you know. They taught you to love Michael Jackson. Then they taught you to hate Michael Jackson. They taught you to love Bill Cosby. Then they taught you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It like it move and follow in certain individuals wherever they go. My people, you better wake up because you go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from on selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach the precipice.
Yeah, people, but if you reach this far in the video, big up yourself. You see me right here, so where all drama begins. You see me? Yes, I.
Yes, as I'm here to represent my client, Renee. Broad back, foot back, big foot back.
Okay.
In 2017,
Okay.
the plaintiff plaintiff, she explained that she met my client in a store, right? Am I correct?
I don't think she mentioned a store. She mentioned a store. She
met her somewhere on the street, not in a dance. They wasn't in a dance, right? Am I correct?
Right.
And she said that she lopped off her big crochet, big fat braids, right?
Right.
So you're trying to tell me she ran into my client. She want friend that bad. She run into my client because of her big fat braids. How old is the plaintiff, Your Honor? Do you have any record of that?
No, miss.
Okay. Your Honor, I think I need an early dismissal for my client.
Why?
Please.
Why is that?
Because I think I need an early dismissal for my client, and the plaintiff needs to seek help, psychological help. Your Honor? Your Honor? Your Honor? Your Honor? Oh. I think that the judge took a break. We have to wait for him to come back. Your Honor?
Just a minute.
I think you need to advise.
I wasn't feeling good just now. Sorry.
Okay, I think you need to advise her lawyer to seek some kind of program for her.
Why is that? Why is that though?
Because in the Don't Stop Lending People Money book on code 344, hello? You can't live in a one room and really took the stimulus money to lend y'all money.
But what if you're a friend and she need it, right? If you're a friend and she need to help her.
Okay, I'm glad you say that. Well, code 354 said that everyone has hungry people back home in Jamaica that would do well with that money that you're lending big fat braids gal in America money. And you could have sent it to Jamaica to help out with one of your family members. So in code 354, that's against the law. Your Honor?
No, but at the present time when the plaintiff lend your client the money, you don't know what the situation your client was in.
So this is what I'm saying. My client right now, right? You have some gal out there, they lend people things to chat about it, to have something over you. She gave my client 1 month to pay. My client was willing to pay her every week. Things is going bad.
No, that wasn't the plan. Why you want to take the 500 at one time, then you want to play back every 2 weeks? That's not right.
But this is what I'm saying. The plaintiff, something is wrong with her. She's biocalational in the head. Since she loves honey bun and soda so much, that could give her diabetes. Before she take that money and go buy more honey bun and soda, she lent it to my client who like to my man like dog.
Good night.
You know why the defendant take the money from my client now?
Right.
Because she confused like her lawyer lipstick on her face. Yeah, no, what's
Okay.
Let me show you a thing now. Always when we broke, we are lend thinking more people money. You understand what they are dealing with? Jamcro.
Okay.
This is Jamcro in need and we broke and we help dirty people. That's how we do it long time. My client are one of them people. Right, you know, lava. This is a liar will come a while ago now. You know, this one little thief in Bumbuckland, friend. Oh, no, I hear about the money I pay you back yet, but you come there and defend the fucking thief in. You forgot fucking jail too. You forgot pussy class prison. You know why? You are every your blood class lad. You look a fly on that team. It's a fucking team. You are a little white dress where you have on in a bumper class. Who that? Oh, the bumper class you come. Oh, you come to? You come to eat them? Oh, you come to eat them? A team you come to bumper class eat them? Because right now you not eat that again. Because woman, that looks like you is a blood class thief and you're being woman that is. Where's money there? I know that you're not going to break. Wait break it. I break your tabo. What is blood class? What is Jamaica National? Where is the bomber class Jackson Bakery? Where bread? I know that you're not. What do you want to buy this thing?
Right.
We have one room. We have your friend a buy me a blood class. Reach out to him. Look a reason about that thinking about liar. Junk a liar. No, liar. Hold on a second there. Me I deal with the case. I go deal with the case. But what I'm thinking about. Not the time. Watch ya. Junk a liar. Let me show you a thing. See, come back from my phone one more time. Yo, remember, me have a cuss bumbo clap bad one, you know, daddy?
Come here, inside the courtroom, please, come here.
Right, you want bench me. Because this year with the armors right now, I'm going to do it. Let me show you that. Because your piece and car. What's that? You're going to show you a matter. Are you like what? You don't get to eat.
Right.
You don't know what and you're like what? It's like a 5 minutes right now, the key. It's all right, Lava. You know what I'm like, right? Me just copy your one thing, you know. Put me a little 5 minutes. Go me go one back by next week. The whole 5 minutes, you know. Go on back the whole 5 minutes next 2 weeks. Why you want to give me bills a week? What the fuck I look like? I look like
Miss
a
it,
fuck.
yeah, miss it.
Me go one back by next week. The whole 5 minutes, you know. Go on back the whole 5 minutes next 2 weeks. Why you want to give me bills a week? What the fuck I look like? I look like
Miss
a
it,
fuck.
yeah, miss it. Messing up the money.
Hey, you're messing up my bread.
Right.
Come on, it's 5 minutes. In particular. Why you not get it in particular? Because guess what now? You want to give me bills. Oh, you want the money I buy bleach out food. Everyone, I'll be your own share boy. Come on, share like one carton box. You feel me? I deal with that. Papa, let me show you a thing. Mama shop out there, but then I dress and shape like the bumbo class. She don't come in a bumbo class. Harry Potter. Because, alright, come back. Look here. We don't come here to discriminate. Why 5 years? Right to come up. Me know there. Oh, yeah, one room. We have one room there in 5 years. Here we will like. I do what? Who want the whole money, the whole bread, the whole skin. You feel me? I deal with this is a bumbo class liar with the fuck up. Yes, I'm rare. Come with the fuckery night, you about red. Where you come and defend the liar? Where? You should be ashamed. Detective. Here, your team. Here's a fucking team. Because if you can't go to somebody blatantly, a team, funny stuff. In front of people here, and you come up. Yeah, but because here, one room, here, and people to eat your money while you give. Stimulus check, people out there. When you say stimulus check, and that people can give us the money even quicker, thinking more, girl. Dirty fat, wagga, sucky, bumbo class, girl. See if they're going to put crackers in a bumbo class, hot tea. Hey, Lava, I didn't come here for this, you know. Listen, you
Right.
see, this is a courtroom, don't benefit. Lava, fuckery. This there, where you get liar from? Where you condescend?
Because you decide to not pay it.
I fuckery, you condescend. You condescend, fuckery. Because I want somebody to take your blood clot money and don't give you back your only bumbo, will you? Hey, Lava, I want to people pay your bumbo clot hard, you know. Thinking about people tell me, no, take nobody money and don't give it back, Chanko. You fuck with you. It burn me, it burn you, it burn blood clot you. You see, like I'm here with the gratitude that you... blood clot me. You say me I'm nothing, but you take my money and I want to eat back. What are you? Eh? Shit out. You pick a shit. What is you?
Whoa.
What are you? Shit pit. What are you? You is a thief. That is what you are. You know what kind of scammer? You see them? They come with a blood clot. Look how hard. But you gentlemen, please. Sorry for you. You want it. Sorry for you. Pussy wall idiot. You come. You want people sorry for you. You get them things. No, you're clear hard. I'm not found in there in a world like this. A blood clot. Saggy girl. I'm not found in there. You shape like a dresser. Dirty girl. You shape like a bumbuckler dresser. Woman, let me tell you this. Come here for this here. You know man money there because you say you're rare. You don't put the cocky by him because you love them under 19, you know. We hear them say you love them under bumbuckler 19. Intense them looking kind of boy them. Bleach out and Morgan. Now go nowhere in a life. And then the boy they take up your little blood clot money and a thing. And then you want to play